then I could face it all again.
This was me living out a lifelong dream of working with the famous Herberts.
Now, what is this effect? What is this called?
It's a sepia tone, black and white, but with a tint to it. So it has more of a brownish sepia tint to it, and that's what's called sepia tone.
The concept of this video?
The concept of this video is, what the song is about is, ain't it funny that this happens, about fate and choices, and basically that's why the video opens. I'm walking down the road and it's a fork in the road, and it's like, am I gonna go this way or am I gonna go that way? And what's gonna happen? And she decides to go this way, and then she went into this fortune teller, and then she stays there with those girls, and all of a sudden her life has just changed. And that was the idea, and it was actually Herbert's idea. After he heard the record, he was like, this is really about fate. Let's make a video about that.
This was a beautiful picture. This guy got a lot of notoriety from this video.
Fine.
Yeah, a lot of ladies liked him.
He wasn't bad. You know, that's one of the things with Herbert's too, his casting. He was like, who are we gonna cast for the guy? The guy's gotta be incredible. And my girlfriend at the time who worked with me was like, there's this guy, Eduardo Verastegui. He's a Spanish actor, and we have to get him. He's the most gorgeous guy out. And he wasn't bad.
When you watch your videos, do you watch as a fan, or you watch and you remember everything that went on behind the scenes to make them?
I try to remove myself to see how I feel, you know, about it as just something separate from something I did. This was actually one of the videos, probably the only video, since If You Had My Love, that I didn't go into I went into the editing room one day, and I saw it, and it was perfect.
You were happy with it?
I was like, this is gorgeous. Goodbye.